Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of the Body Concierge series. My name is Brenda Naso. I'm a trained dance movement psychotherapist and somatic movement therapist, and I'm based in London. So today I'm here to introduce you to the concept of shape flow. Shape flow is a concept that is being used in the movement analysis and profiling called the Kestenberg movement profile. If you're interested to know more, there's plenty of information to look for in the internet. The concept of shape flow, in very simple terms, is about how our bodies, the shape of our body, flow or respond to the external environment. With the external environment here, we're talking about sound, we're talking about temperature, and we're talking about other people as well. So how do we as human beings relate to the environment? For example, here is a little bit of a noisy road around here, so I'm just kind of want to move away from the noise. So my body shape, instead of being as you're seeing it right now, might change towards, this position. So basically, shape flow is about responding to a stimuli, and as I said, it can be things or people, but we have two qualities on that. We are growing towards the stimuli, so we're moving towards the stimuli, or we're moving away the stimuli. So up until now, I was showing you very big changes in my shape flow, but these changes in the vertical, horizontal, and sagittal dimension also happening in our bodies with every in-breath and every out-breath. So if you want, I will invite you to try with me. You can be doing this sitting or standing, as you wish. So every time we breathe in our body shape, and our spine lengthens when we breathe in and shortens when we breathe out. It's very subtle, unless we breathe in really deeply, and then you can really see and feel how your spine grows, lengthens and shortens every time you breathe in and out. At the same time that this is happening, our lungs are widening and narrowing with every in-breath and every out-breath. And our lungs are bulging, or our chest is actually bulging and hollowing when we breathe out. Yeah? So these three movements with these three dimensions give us a sense of the three-dimensionality of our body, but also, we can feel it, that these three planes are in us. Yeah? So I will invite you next time that you're meeting someone, or you're hearing sounds, or you're responding to the external environment, to notice what's happening with your shape. Are you moving towards the stimuli? Are you moving away? Are you growing and lengthening towards it? Are you shortening, widening? Are you narrowing? Yeah? Are you bulging? Are you hollowing? So really notice, because sometimes actually the body give us signs that are quicker, that get later into our mind. So sometimes paying attention into these body cues as we talk, it can give you a bit of an understanding of what is happening for you in terms of you meeting the environment, meeting others. So let's trust our bodies. I think about these three dimensions where the shape of our body and movement in general happens. So these three dimensions are the vertical dimension, the horizontal dimension, and the sagittal dimension, which is moving towards forward or backward. Yeah. So the shape of our body, let's be clear here, the shape I'm referring to is being called shape flow. It's not just the body shape. My body shape, our body shape is quite constant. So nothing's going to happen from in my body shape, hopefully, from today to tomorrow. So it's kind of the constitution of how my body shape is. What we're talking about here is the flow of our shape. So how my shaping changes in relation to the environment. For example, now it's raining a little bit. So instead of, I don't want to be wet, so I'm not going to move towards the rain. I'm going to move away the rain. So this is what we're talking about, shape flow. How we shape our flow, the flow of our body towards the external environment. So we're coming to the end of this episode. I thank you very much for staying with us, and I hope you try some of these ideas with you in your everyday life.